Hey everybody, today on the channel we're going to be replacing the reverse lights on our 1966 Mustang. So stick around if you'd like to see how we did it. Alright guys, so here is the reverse light kit that we just picked up right here. So let's go ahead and unpackage this and let's get it installed. Alright guys, so what we're going to want to do first, we're going to want to take one of the reverse lights and we're going to want to grab a gasket. This is what's going to go onto the back and it'll seal it up to the rear valance. So you just want to go on ahead and make sure this is lined up good right here and install it like so. One side has kind of like a groove for this to fit into, so you just want to make sure that that's lining up all the way around pretty good. Alright, so now that we got that installed, we can go on ahead and take this and go put it on the back of the car. Alright guys, so the first step in installing this is we're just going to feed the wire in through here, and then we're going to push this on into here like so. Like that. And then now what we're going to have to do is we're going to go on the back side and we're going to put on the nuts and the little cups that kind of space them off of the valance right here. So now we're going to want to put these on here. They go on first and they make it so the nuts have a flat spot to tighten onto. So these just go over the studs on the back of the reverse lights. Alright guys, so one thing I don't know if you can see right in here, so I got this side on, I got this this little cup, the half round cup in here on there with the nut. This side though, it looks like the stud is a little bit too short to be able to use that. I've tightened this one up a little bit over here and I'm going to try and get this one on now, but that's the only issue that I'm having so far with this. Alright, I think we got it. So easiest way to get that onto there is going to be with a one of these little screwdrivers with an adapter on the socket. That's the easiest way to get that one in right there. But we got it, so that's good. Alright, so that looks pretty good right there. Now the next thing is we're going to want to take our wire that we have right here. We're going to take our wire and there should be a hole to feed this up through. Let's take a look back in here. But right here, there's a hole that we can go on ahead and feed our wire through, and there's a grommet to plug it up right there. So let's go on ahead and we'll get this fed up into there here. Alright, there we go. There is the grommet in there. We got our wire fed through. Now we can go up into the trunk and connect the wires. Okay, so we have our new wires from the reverse light coming up right here. We're going to have this one right here is going to connect to the existing wiring harness in the trunk right here. So we're going to connect that up. And then this one is going to go to a ground. We just pull off a nut on one of the studs down here on the bucket, and we'll just ground that out to right there is how it was done before. Alright, now in order to go on ahead and finish this up right here, we're going to put in the gasket right here. Make sure that's in there, like so. And then now as for putting in the lens right here, as well as your screws, I would recommend put these in and get them started first before you put the gasket and everything in there, because it looks like the holes in here, they were not threaded, and these kind of cut their own threads into there. So I found it easier to use a little impact to just get them started and get the threads going, and then pop them out, and then you can install it pretty easy. Alright, so there is the driver's side reverse light in, and it's going to be the same process for the passenger side. Alright guys, so that's all there is to replacing the reverse lights on a 1966 Mustang. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps out. And we'll see you on the next project. Thank you.